Hello students, today I will discuss factorization on these two formula, this one and this one. A cube plus b cube form, that is sum of two cubes. In the factorization we will write a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and the second form is a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. The things are that all the sums are not given in this form only. We have to convert the expression in this form, then only we can apply the formula. Okay, we start with this one. Question number 3(2). This is given 8x cube minus 1 by 27 y cube. So 8 means 2 cube, and this is x cube, minus this is 1 by 3 cube y cube. So it can be written as 2x whole cube minus 1 by 3y whole cube. Now it is the form of a cube minus b cube. That is this form, a cube minus b cube. So we will write a minus b. This is a, this is b. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write 2x minus 1 by 3y, this is 4x square plus 2 by 3x by y, 2 by 3 4x into y, this is 1 by 9y square. This is the answer. This one finished. Okay. Look, so it was in the form of a cube minus b cube. Sometimes it is not in the form of a cube plus b cube. How will I do? Pause the video to note it down. Now we go for question number 2 part 2. Okay. How will I do? Look, this is not necessary. 7a cube 2 part 2 of M.L. Agarwal, class 9. 7a cube plus 56b cube. So this is not a cubic number, this is not a cubic number. But if I take one 7, we get a cube plus 8b cube, right? Now 7. This is in the form a whole cube. This is in the form 2b whole cube. Okay. A cube plus b cube. So 7 a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Clear? So 7 a plus 2b a square minus 2ab plus 4b square. A plus 2b a square minus 2ab plus 4b square. Right? This is the formula. So this part is already finished. Now we go to question number 8 part 2. How will I do? Question number 8 part 2. This one I am doing. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 2b cube. Look, a cube is a cubic number, but 2b cube is not a cubic number. So what will I do? What will I do? One thing we can do, look, we can write here, this is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3 a b whole square minus these 2b cube can be written as b cube minus b cube minus b cube minus b cube is equal to minus 2b cube. Now this is of the form a minus b whole cube minus b cube. Student, you must watch my video. That one, the formula of cubes, formula of square. That is very important. If you don't watch the video, it is really, it will create a problem to you. Watch the video, all the formulas I have written there, what are the needed and how to apply the formulas I have already discussed there. So you should watch the video first, then you will watch this video. So this is of the form a cube minus b cube, this form. So we get this is a, this is b, a minus b, and this is a square plus ab plus b square. So this is a minus 2b, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus a into b minus b into b square plus b square, right? This one cancel. Look, what did I do? A minus b, a square. Look, this is a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2b plus b square. This one into this one, a into b, ab minus b into b. So we are getting a minus 2b, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus ab, that is minus ab. This is the answer. Let me see whether you students can see this. Yes, you can see properly. Okay. So now So we look, these all the things, whatever I am doing, I am converting all the terms into this form, either this form or this form, then we are applying the formula. Okay. Now we'll do 9 part 2. This is very important. Pause the video to note it down. Please pause the video to note it down. 9 part 2. This one. A cube minus 1 by a cube minus 2a plus 2 by a I am doing. Okay, what? This is a cube minus b cube formula. That means a whole cube minus 1 by a whole cube you can write. From this thing we can take common minus 2. If we take common minus 2, sign will be opposite. So this is 1 by a. Why I have done this one? Just wait a minute. This is a cube minus b cube and we are doing factorization method. For factorization method we will use these two formula. For factorization method or for factorization we will use these two formula. Now a cube minus b cube, this one. So formula is a minus b into a square plus ab, right? ab plus b square. Here a equal to a and b equal to 1 by a plus b square. Then we write this one, 2 into a minus 1 by a. Now grouping of terms, this one. Second video of factorization, grouping of terms, where there I have discussed the full term, full thing, everything I have discussed about grouping of terms. Now take common a minus 1, a minus 1. So this is a square. This one cancel, plus 1 by a square minus 2, this one. So what we are getting? A minus 1 by a square plus 1 by a square minus 1. Okay? The plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and the other parts are same. Pause the video to note it down. Okay? Now we'll come to this one. How to do this two? Look. Now x to the power 6. This one I am doing 13 part 2. X to the power 6 minus 7 x cube minus 8. Look, there are 3 terms we cannot take common. But one thing we have already done in the previous video, I have already discussed middle term factor. Look, you can make it in a middle term factor. Break it. 7. 8 is 8 minus 1 x cube minus 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 into 1. 8 into 1, 8, go for 8, 8 ones 8, 8 1 minus करके हमको क्या मिल रहा है 7. So this is x to the power 6 minus 8x cube minus plus x cube minus 8. 2 negative sign, 2 positive sign. Now take common x cube from these two grouping of terms. X cube minus 8 and there from there no common, that means 1, we can take common 1. Okay, look, this is grouping of terms, x minus cube, again it's coming x cube plus 1. No, this is not the answer because again it can be split up. Again it can be split up. Where will I split? Here I will split. This is a cube minus b cube form and this is a cube plus b cube form. So first a cube form minus b cube, we will use this formula. That means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. For this a cube plus b cube, we will use this formula, a plus b, because this is a, this is b, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? So we can use x minus 2, x square plus 2x plus 4, this is x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1, this is the answer. Clear? Now we go to question number, last two questions are already, we have to do this one. Now I am doing 8 part 1. This one, so this is a cube plus b cube form, but these are not cubic number. What would I do? Take common 2 from these two terms, we get a cube plus 8b cube, right? From this minus 5 common, a plus 2b. So 2, this is a cube plus b cube, a plus 2b. A cube plus b cube is a plus b. This is the form a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square minus 5a plus 2b. Look, this one common. A plus 2b is the common portion, right? So we are getting this 2 into this one. 2 into this one I have taken common, so 2 into this one. 2 into a square minus 2ab plus 4b square minus 5, because we have taken common this part. This part common 2 into this one minus this part I have taken common, only 5 left. So we are left a plus 2b, this is 2a square minus 4ab plus 8b square minus 5. This is the answer. Student, you must check the answer properly, because maybe some calculation mistake, because I am doing in a very hurry. I have to do as many sums as I can do. Okay, so please check the calculation where it is needed, a plus b. Now we'll go to question number 12. This one 12 part 2. So this one is finished, right? Yes. 12 part 2. What we are doing? 32a x square minus 88b square x cube minus 4a square. Look, this is not a, this is 32 is given, 32 and 4. Okay, so one thing, what would I do? Oh, my camera is off. Acha, look, this one 32 x square x cube minus this one. Look, it is a typical type of sum. Look, from these two, this one and this one, a square is there, so we have taken these two terms. Now grouping of terms. From these two we take common 4a square, we are getting 8x cube minus y cube. And from these two terms, that means this one and this one, we have written here, take common minus b square, we get 8x cube minus y cube. That is the same term we are getting. This thing you have to practice, otherwise this will not come. Now what, this is a grouping of terms. Now we take common 8x cube minus y cube, right? And this is 4a square minus b square. This is a cube minus b cube, so we get a cube minus b cube form, and this is 2a whole square minus b whole square. So this is the formula of a cube minus b cube, this is the formula of a square minus b square. So we are getting a cube minus b cube is, this one we are using a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So 2x minus y, this is 4x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is 2a plus b into 2a minus b. This is the answer. Okay. Now x to the power 9 plus y to the power 9. We can write this is x cube whole cube plus y cube whole cube, right? This is of the form a cube plus b cube. This is first formula we can use, where this is a, this is b. So a plus b, right, into a square minus ab plus b square, right? Now this is of the form a cube plus b cube. Again we can use this formula. So here a will be x, or we can write this one as x whole cube plus y whole cube, right? Here x to the power 6 minus x cube y cube plus y to the power 6. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is x to the power 6 minus x cube y cube plus y to the power 6. So this is the answer. Student, the next, almost I have done all type of factorization. Okay, another one type is left. अगर हो सके तो हम वो भी अपलोड कर देंगे. ओके, थैंक यू एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.